Well, I'm not doing air conditioning on this, but I thought it was worth taking a video and showing people. Guess what it is? That is a Mazda 1967. I gotta say, I have never seen one of these. It's a rotary engine, 1967. And as you can see from the sticker, built in Hiroshima, Japan. Still got the stickers on there. This is all perfectly restored vehicle that was in perfect condition. There's another one getting restored over full restoration in here. And there it is, 1967, one of the old ads. And it's right-hand drive. So this was probably in Europe or in Hong Kong or something. Yeah, when I was looking at this, I didn't think it was Mazda, and I was trying to read this as if it was Italian. I'm going, what kind of Italian vehicle is this? And then I realized after a few attempts of trying to say this word with an Italian accent, it was a Mazda. Couple another rare ones. Lamborghini. Another rare one. This is not your common everyday Lambo. Yeah, it's definitely not your little 4-cylinder. There's our two Mustangs. BMW M1. Another one of our really old ones here. Yep, like working in places like this. Cadillac, Fleetwood, 12-cylinder. And the complete resto going on. Little tiny car up there. And more ready to restore. That'll be restored. That'll get restored and it'll start looking like a brand new car. All right, guys, see ya.